Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, the natural gas is moving, trying to make a narrow pattern. If you look at this particular trend, okay, if you make it from this particular perspective, we have seen it is trying to move it in a narrow pattern. Okay, so first second thing is this, that as soon as the price started going again above a level of 3.78, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and this is the trend. Okay, this is the trend we have seen, that the price is moving in this range. Okay, so it has already been tested twice and chances will be very high that if it sustain above a level of $4.3, we can see there can be chances that it can cross a level of $5 also. Okay, but looking for a 2 days, what we can see that the movement for yesterday's, we have seen it was a high at around 3.7 and a low of around 3.64. That means we have not seen a very good volatility, but this narrow pattern can create a good volatility as soon as the price break out from this particular point. Okay, remember this, there is a higher chances that as soon as it goes above a level of 3.676, chances of going further upside we can see, but if started falling below a level of 3.46, a further downfall also we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see, the price of natural gas depends on a lot of factors. Okay, one of the factor is dollar index, because it is inversely related to natural gas. Okay, even crude, gold and silver also. And if the see, so when the dollar index started going upside, we see the natural gas price comes down. When dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. This is what we have seen mostly. Okay, so suppose if it started, see, the price is already below $100, even $99, as you can see the dollar index chart. Okay, so if that didn't sustain, because see, there is a higher chances of going further down. So if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of around 98.5 we can see, and if that started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $97.8. Okay, and suppose if the price going below this level, we can see a level of 97.6 to a level of 96.9, and then a further low we can see. But suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside towards a level of $99.45, and if that sustain, we can see the price can touch a level of $100. Suppose if it started going above this level, probability of touching 100.5 we can see towards a level of 101.2, and if that sustain, we can see level of $102, and if the price going above this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see the natural gas price, as I've already told you, it is making this particular trend. So if the price sustain above this level, it can move towards next level, that is 3.75, and from there a level of 3.78, and once the price moving over this level, it can touch a level of 3.83, and from there a level of 3.86. Suppose if it started going over this level, probability of touching 3.9, then to a level of 3.94, and from there a level of $4, and then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $4.2 after crossing level 4.1. But if the price started falling below this particular level, it can move towards 3.68, from there a level of 3.64. See, 3.68 is a level we have seen today's low, and the yesterday's low is around 3.65, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.58 we can see, and this is already being tested, so we can see a bounce back can come. But if that didn't come, we can see it can fall further down towards $3.51, and if the price falling below this level, it will move below a level of 3.44. It is already tested, so the price will go below a level of 3.4 and it will move below a level of 3.36. Okay, and this is already tested, so we can see the price will go further down, and yes, after that we can see the price can touch a level of 3.2 to a level of 3.15, and then it will move towards $3. And once the price moving below this particular trend, chances are high this trend will support downside, so chances are high it will move below a level of 2.9, so we can see a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, given the mail ID is also in the description. Already explain you that if the price sustain above 3.8 $76. Chances are high it can touch a level of 3.8, and this particular trend will break out towards an upside, so it can touch 3.98, then to a level of 4, and then further high. But if it started falling below a level of 3.65, it can move towards 3.56, then to a level of 3.47, and then it will move below a level of 3.3, then to a level of 3.2, and then a further low supporting this trend. So we can see a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,